2 weeks, you'll be able to test your cancer risk just by sending a swab of spit in the mail.
But experts have some concerns about the new 23andMe test, which was just approved by the FDA. News 3's Amanda Quintana shows us why.
This is my mom, and she was diagnosed with ovarian cancer when she was 52. Her mom was 36 when she was diagnosed with ovarian cancer.
Just like her mother and grandmother, Shelley Ludke of Sun Prairie carries the BRCA1 gene. The mutation comes with a 90% chance of getting breast cancer and 40% for ovarian cancer. She was tested for the gene at age 29 by her doctor.
She said, we're going to schedule you for a complete hysterectomy next week. So I didn't really have any time to process that.
Now, 14 years later, she's helping others who are in the same position through the group Facing Our Risk of Cancer Empowered or FORCE.
Knowing is power. You can take this on and fight that full force. If you have the information, you're able to fight it.
For the first time, you'll be able to get tested for the BRCA gene from home without a genetic counselor or doctor. In March, the FDA approved the first direct-to-consumer genetic test for cancer risk through 23andMe. But it only looks for 3 forms of the BRCA1 and BRCA2 mutations that are most common in the Ashkenazi Jewish population, out of hundreds of variations.
Basically, every month we are finding a new gene that is linked to some type of cancer. So the idea that this is some type of comprehensive testing, it's just not true.
Dr. Lisa Barolette at the UW Carbone Cancer Center says the 23andMe test is limited, and this is a conversation you should be having with your doctor.
Actually, the FDA specifically stipulated in the approval that clinical action should not be taken based on these test results.
She says a positive or negative won't give patients the support they need during a scary, confusing time Ludke knows all too much about.
I feel like there's so much information out there, and unless you are given the tools to know where to find that information, you're kind of left in the dark.
Amanda Quintana, WISC News 3.
A spokesperson for 23andMe says the company will provide educational resources for customers that talk about the test's limitations and give links to support groups. Also, they'll tell you how to find a local genetic counselor. The test, by the way, is $199.